Hello, everyone. This is Deborah Jason speaking to you today on the Schweike Media Weekly Expert Webinar Series. As creative entrepreneurs and business owners, one of the most important tools you have in offering your programs and services is the copy you use to communicate your messages. In our last 3 webinars, we talked about steps number 1 through 4 of the 5-step copywriting success formula. Step number 1 is determine the problem. Step number 2 is push your prospects' buttons. Number 3 is create the aha moment. And step number 4 is offer a solution to their problem. Today, we're going to finish up the formula with step number 5. Step number 5 is get your prospects to respond. This is your call to action, and it's vital. Don't forget to tell your prospects what you want them to do. John Jantsch of Duct Tape Marketing said this: "You see so many ineffective uses of direct mail, pieces that don't really offer a call to action, a place for someone to get more information." And I find that this same thing is true on the internet. I can't tell you how many times I've received an email or my phone rings and the person on the other end is asking me if I'd review their website. She says something like, "I paid a lot of money to have a website created and I love the design. However, time has gone by and I haven't had any inquiries, responses, or sales." So as a copywriter, I go to the site and I'm surprised about what I see, or I should say, about what I don't see. One major aspect that is missing is the call to action. And I don't mean just on one web page, I mean a call to action on all the pages. It may sound obvious, but it's really important that you tell your prospects what you want them to do. For instance, should they complete and return the sign-up or registration form? Do you want them to dial a toll-free number and call you? Or perhaps what you want them to do is to click on that Buy Now button. I cover 9 tips on my blog in a post on this topic. It's at rightdirection.com/call-to-action, and that's call-to-action. Go there and check out all the 9 tips. Throughout this webinar series, we've covered and we've talked about the 5-step copywriting success formula for creating captivating content that converts your prospects into loyal raving fans, people who keep coming back for more of what you have to offer. So now let's review those 5 steps. The 5 steps to writing compelling content on your sales page, your website, your brochure, they are: determine the problem, push your prospects' buttons, create the aha moment, offer a solution to the problem, and don't forget, get them to respond with a call to action. And here's a bonus tip. That tip is to write from the heart. After all, what matters is what's in your heart and who you are as a person. Share your message from a caring place. Be genuine in your message. I love what Dr. Seuss said. He put it this way: be who you are and say what you feel, because those who mind don't matter, and those who matter don't mind. I have a client who recently said to me, "You know, Deborah, be authentic. That's beginning to sound so cliche. Everyone and their grandmother is saying that." And as a result, this person was hesitant to say what he really wanted to share with others because he wasn't sure his message was different. But when we continued to talk, his enthusiasm for his work and how he approached his style of coaching was very different from others. It was unique to him, and I encouraged him to keep that in mind and go with that as he moved forward writing his content. You see, I believe that you can't go wrong when you're authentic and speak your truth. Remember, people want to work with those people who have that KLT factor, That's the know, like, and trust factor. People want to see that you're showing compassion and concern for the issues that they face daily. In his book, Hypnotic Writing, Joe Vitale said this: "People buy from people they like. When you allow your personality to come through, people feel an intimacy with you. They begin to trust you and like you. Rapport is built and sales happen. People want to read words from a trusted friend." I want you to remember this. People want what you have to offer them. They want to transform their lives, and you can help. Do so by touching on their problems, creating an aha moment, and offering them a solution. You can make a difference. I know you can. Take these steps to copywriting success and implement them today. It's important to take action quickly while the information is fresh in your mind. Now, go back and review your copy. Are you pushing prospects' buttons? Are you letting them know how you can help them see the light of day? If you are, you're on the right track. If you're not, if you're struggling with putting your ideas into words, then head in the right direction. I'd be happy to work with you on honing your skills. Take advantage of the Magnetic Copywriting Home Study Program if you want to convert your content from mediocre to monetizing. Just visit rightdirection.com/MC-homestudy. This is a convenient program you can do from your home when you have free time, whenever it works best for you. And it's a program that'll show you how, in 21 days, you can create killer content that converts. My name is Deborah Jason. I'm a speaker, author, trainer, direct response copywriter, and a coach. Marketing and writing with heart, not hype. I speak about the value of building relationships and the art of engagement as they apply to copywriting, marketing, and social media marketing. I invite you to get your copy of the free report, The Secret to Connecting and Engaging with Your Prospects. It's on my website at rightdirection.com. That's W-R-I-T-E, like writing with a pen, rightdirection.com. Feel free to sign up for my newsletter, connect with me on LinkedIn, follow me on Facebook, Google+, or Twitter. And if I can help you in any way, please reach out and contact me. I'll help you head in the right direction. On behalf of the Schweike Media Weekly Expert Webinar Series, I thank you for taking time out of your day to join us for this session, and I'll look forward to seeing you again on another webinar in the near future. Have a heartwarming day, and here's to your sweet success. Remember, now is the time to let your light shine. Thanks again.